Alright, back on Joe's bike again today. So those SNS lifters are not pumping up at all. You push down on the piston in there, it just goes up and down on all of them. We tried readjusting them, that didn't help. So I got a hold of SNS and they're sending me out a new set of them. They don't know why they're not working either, so. But they're going to send us a new set. Meantime, I'm going to take these crane ones apart. So one or two of these is not working correctly. It comes and goes when it works, so I got to take it apart and see what's wrong on the inside. Be back. Alright, so much for interruptions. So I'm going to take these apart, take a look at them, see what they look like. So it looks like just a simple snap ring in there. See if there's something going on inside the lifter. I don't know what they would be. Could be a piece of trash getting underneath the valve in there. Maybe it comes and goes and when it plugs it up. I don't know. Something's not right. The only way we're going to figure it out is to look at things. See what we can find. Worst case, we just waste some time. I'm good at wasting time, so that's not an issue. Okay. Clip. It's going to work around here. Too much junk in the way. Okay, so I'm going to lay all the stuff out here on the table so we can see what's going on. I'll lay it right down on here. Okay. So there's the plunger, or piston, what do you want to call it. So that's precision fitted into the bore. No, this is just a spacer. The piston's actually down there. Let's see, I don't have my tool for getting it out, so hopefully it'll come out. Nope. So I'm going to try jamming it with a screwdriver and see if we can leverage it out. I hear a suction noise, so that will help. But not coming out. Alright. Next thing is magnets. I really don't like using magnets because it magnetizes stuff. So we will have to demagnetize this after we're done. Okay, got a pretty good suction there. So the valve is right here that controls everything, so don't really see anything wrong with it. There's no grit or anything that I can see. There's one piece of something I can feel on my finger though. And one piece of grit. So I'm going to take this and blow these holes out and see if anything comes out in there at all. Nozzle. My little fine tip nozzle here. So we're just going to blow on this a little bit and see if we can get anything to come out of here. The camera stands in the way. There we go. exactly sure how these work, but looks like there's a ball bearing inside a hole in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's blowing straight out my fingers. There's a ball in there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. The reason it's releasing is that this tip is so small. You can see the ball bearing in the piston there. I'm actually pushing the ball up in my tip right here. I don't know if you can see the ball. I'm pushing the ball up and down right there. It's got spring tension on it. So if there's any kind of dirt or grit in there, that should have blown it out. You always feel on your fingers for grit. I can feel grit. It's real fine. It feels like sand. I can feel it on my fingers. So that's enough to cause the lifter not to work. You can't feel it. I mean, you can't see it, but it's there. And there's a lot of it. It's like I just did some bead blasting when I touched the surface. I just got done blasting. You have all that grit on your fingers. That's what it feels like. So that's not good. Knew that a new can of brake cleaner in here. Here's a new can of brake clean. Spur it with. Okay, so stinks. Right in the face. Good job. Okay, so I got that cleaned out real good. I don't feel anything on my fingers. So I'm good with that. Clean all these parts off. Grit free. I'm going to blow this lifter out. Tribodine's pretty sticky, so it doesn't like coming out. Once, clean it again. Okay. Damn, throat. A clean towel. That's pretty clean looking to me. Man. Throat. Okay, I'm going to take the clean towel and stick it in here. See if anything comes up in here besides oil deposits. Hopefully that's enough. Okay, so now all the parts are clean. I need some oil. You got oil around this place. You got squat. transmission oil. Perfect. That'll work. So I'll take a little bit of oil. Put beside the lifter here. Create a little bit. Sure, we're going to do this one. Oh, I know what I can do. Put it inside this cap. Like that. Take the hydraulic unit. Put it inside there. Push the ball up and down with a small little tip to get the ball nice and lubricated. And that's all you got to do to lubricate it. These come in real handy for lots of tools. Paper clip, heavy duties. So I just go in here like that with a ball like that, bounce it up and down a few times, and we should be good to go. Once I see the oil on the ball, I know it's lubricated all the way that I need lubricated. Take the body and lubricate it also. Don't forget your spring. Push it back in there. Okay. Put this back together. Very nice and lubricated fingers now. So we use a Phillips screwdriver to push on the plunger here. Oh, I forgot to demagnetize it. Damn it. Gotta demagnetize this. So I'm gonna go get my demagnetizer. Easier to bring it over here than go back and forth behind the milling machine 15 times. Way easier. Alright, I'll be right back.